HBQ-910-S FAKRA automatic production line. Capable of processing various types of tubular FAKRA products. Manual wire loading, wire end straightening and zero cutting, laser marking, outer ring inserting, rotary stripping the outer skin, ring pressing the braided mesh, brushing to smooth, zero cutting copper wires, stripping aluminum foil and white insulation, broken wire detection, appearance inspection of stripped wire ends, crimping the center pin, straightening the center pin, center pin inspection, assembling the outer conductor, pulling back the braided mesh, backflip detection, pulling back the outer ring, outer ring crimping, interface detection, electrical performance test, concentricity detection, outer conductor detection, discharging and handling,